This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. In the US, markets remained relatively flat yesterday after a volatile session given the Federal Reserve's April meeting, which signaled a potential rate hike in the near term. Minutes from the meeting showed that most policymakers believed a rise would be appropriate at the June meeting if the economic data and job market conditions continued to strengthen as inflation heads towards the 2% target. US stocks gave up their gains and the dollar strengthened after the minutes were released. The US 500 slid down, falling 0.2% from earlier gains of 0.6% that day after the release of the Fed minutes. Dividend-paying utilities that benefit in a low interest rate environment were the hardest hit, with the US 500 Utilities Index falling 1.3%. The US 500 dropped 1 point to close on 2046.58. The US 100 gained 17 The US Tech 100 gained 17 points to close on 4,340.50, and the Wall Street gained 3 points to close on 17,526. In the commodities sector, gold declined as the dollar gained, and prospects of higher interest rates are on the horizon. The precious metal dropped $19 to close on $1,260.50, while Brent crude backed off the $50 mark, losing 81 cents to close on $48.54 a barrel. In Europe, there was a mixed day with Germany 30 climbing and gaining 98 points to close on 9,938.1, while the UK 100 dropped 16 points to close on 6,126.2. In today's corporate news, Royal Mail's reported pre-tax profits fell from £400 million to £267 million in the year ended 27th of March. Thomas Cook has reported pre-tax loss of £288 million in the 6 months to the 31st of March, an improvement on the £303 million in the same period last year. Mothercare has reported a 4.4% fall in group sales in the year to 26th of March. The company said its underlying pre-tax profit was £19.6 million, up 51% year on year. National Grid has reported a 9% growth in pre-tax profits to £3.14 billion in the year ended 31st of March, and Hargreaves Lansdown has reported year-to-date revenues of £268 million, up 12% year on year. Today's economic data in focus at 9:30 in the UK, retail sales figures were released by National Statistics. At 10 o'clock, Eurozone construction output figures for March are released. And at 12:30, the ECB monetary policy meeting accounts are published. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.